What benefits are there to changing my electrical panel?
The panel is the heartbeat of your home that distributes energy to your outlets, your appliances, and lighting, various different devices in your house. So older homes have older type of panels and they can cause some issues. They could be no longer code compliant. That's one of the issues that you have. And they can also be not enough circuits available in that panel, sufficient enough for new appliances. So as times have changed and your needs have changed in the house, you will need to add air conditioners or more lights or different appliances. You are now needing more power and more circuits and more breakers in that panel. You know, this new panel is going to provide peace of mind and security. It is going to be ESA certified and inspected. She's going to have a brand new panel, brand new breakers, everything's code compliant. She can rest assured knowing that everything is labeled in her panel and it's safe.
How does a home's electrical system compare to the human body?
Your panel in your house is essentially the heartbeat of your home. That means that if your heartbeat is not pumping the right amount of blood, your veins, your arteries are missing that type of power. So you are not going to have sufficient energy coming into your devices, your lights. The appliances that you're upgrading to are going to be missing that type of amperage that's required to ensure that your panel is sufficient for your use.
What sort of electrical panel upgrades are available?
So there's two different options for homeowners these days. The first one is actually just doing a standard update of the panel. Updating a panel just means you're taking an older fuse panel and installing a newer panel that either gives you a breaker system or some more circuits. The other option is actually to update your entire system, which is literally from the utility, updating from 100 amp to 200 amps by going from the meter base on the outside of the house, inside the home, into your panel, and instead of having just 100 amps of power, you're now upgrading to 200 amps of service. So not only are you getting a larger size panel, but you're actually providing your house with more ampage for usage. So you can add a pool, a hot tub. You can increase what devices are now being driven by that panel inside your home.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.